As a lawyer, I don't always have the time for a client follow-up call, so I rely on text message reminders to hold my clients accountable for the work that I need them to do for me. MailKing's text message campaigns makes it easy for me to send texts right from my computer. By uploading a Google spreadsheet of contacts and any personalized messages, I can quickly send a text message reminder to all of my clients. Let me show you how this tool helps your cases run smoothly. To get started, you'll need to go to MailKing.io to install CloudHQ's MailKing extension from the Google Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, you'll see this Campaigns button here in the left panel. I'll click this button to get started. Next, I'll click this button to start creating my new text campaign. I'll name my bulk text here so I can keep track of all of my client follow-up text campaigns. Here's where I can import my clients' phone numbers and messaging from a Google Sheet. I have all of my clients' names, their phone numbers, and in this column, I can add an individual update that I need to send to each client. When I have all my messages ready to go, I simply import this spreadsheet into MailKing. All of my clients' numbers and individual messages will automatically be converted to a personalized text. Now I'll scroll down to craft my text message. First, I'll want to add a little introduction, and I can use these merge tags to personalize it. I'll select client first name to personalize the greeting. Then I'll add the merge tag message to insert every personalized message from my spreadsheet. If I click on the Preview tab, I can see that each client will receive a personalized follow-up message. Now that I'm ready to send, I can choose to schedule this campaign to be sent after a specific date and time, like every Friday at 3 p.m. Or to send my text campaign now, I'll click this box and then click Send. As my text campaign is sent out, I can see its progress here. I can also click here to get a Google Sheet tracking report of each message campaign I've sent out. Here I can see if the client has opened my text, if they replied, if the links I've sent have been clicked, and more. Now that I have an easy and effective way to update my clients, I can focus my time on what's most important: winning my cases. CloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to know about all the latest apps that make you more productive at work.